that was not a success, so we won't be doing uploading until we get to the park. Supposedly the state park has internet.
Hi, I'm Johnny.
I'm Julie.
And we're the Parsons
Passing Through.
Right.
Okay, so today we're actually going to talk about Parsons Passing Through because we have, for 3 years we've been known as the Parsons RV Journey. But just recently we felt like we needed to change our name to Parsons Passing Through.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just felt like we like alliterations, and that's a kind of a two-word alliteration, and so we thought that Parsons Passing Through has a neat little sound, and so that's what we're going to be called. Because a lot of times we don't stay in any area for a very long time, so we're passing through. And so we just kind of wanted to hop on here. We're doing a coffee talk. Johnny's not
Don't have my coffee
doing
this
coffee,
morning.
but I have my coffee, and have my iced coffee here. And so yeah, this is our coffee talk, which we will still do one at the end of March to go over our expenses and wrap up the month. But we just wanted to hop on here real quick and explain, because you're going to be seeing a new cover photo. You're going to be seeing some changes on our channel, and representing the new name, Parsons Passing Through, as well as a new intro that we're going to be working on.
That's right.
Yeah. And so also we wanted to announce that we will be putting out regular videos weekly, 2 times a week, on Tuesdays and Fridays. We were going to do Tuesdays and Thursdays, but turns out most of the time we're in a campground or RV park until Friday morning. And so since Wi-Fi is very hard to find sometimes, it would work out better to do it Fridays, because that would give us that day to upload in a pinch. Which leads us to another thing we want to talk about, which is the Wi-Fi. We have had the hardest time finding good Wi-Fi lately, have we not? How many places have you driven us to in the past week trying to find Wi-Fi?
Quite a few.
Quite a few.
Yeah.
So guys, we like we were saying, is very hard on the road to get Wi-Fi. We actually came. This is the Bamberg County Public Library, and we came here trying to get Wi-Fi, and it was a fail, an absolute fail. So anyway, we got there. It was going to be almost 3 hours.
Yeah.
To upload.
So if you need Wi-Fi, just try to find a coffee shop or something.
Coffee shops are the best. Dunkin' Donuts,
usually.
That's the best place. Yep. So here we are again. We are at another place trying to get some decent Wi-Fi. Johnny's going to go park the RV. We just got diesel. We're trying to get to our campground for the week, but we've got to get these videos loaded in first. So, yep, let's see if McDonald's fails us. Hopefully not. Well, that was not a success, so we won't be doing uploading until we get to the park. Supposedly the state park has internet, so we'll just have to see. But McDonald's failed us. Usually it's okay, but oh well. Yeah.
Especially around, what was that, Millen, Georgia, and around the Georgia area right there, Millen, and what's that other little town? Statesboro.
Statesboro. And then when we got in South Carolina, right now we're currently in, it's called Blackville, South Carolina. And when we came through like Blackville and some other places, it was just like usually the McDonald's has Wi-Fi. There was no Wi-Fi in the McDonald's. So that is absolutely, to me, unheard of, that McDonald's doesn't have Wi-Fi. And so then we tried the Hardee's, we tried the public library. They had Wi-Fi at the public library, but it was going to be 3 hours to upload like a 10-minute video. So yeah, that's part of the problem when you're on the road. So guys, just be watching for some new stuff on our channel. We are improving our look. So we're going to have a new logo. We're going to have a new cover photo and all of that. And the new name change, Parsons Passing Thru. So if you will, share this video, give us thumbs up, and subscribe. Make sure and click that bell as well. And if you're still breathing,
there is still hope.
There's still hope. Get your coffee, and we'll talk to you next time. Y'all make sure and say hey to Gracie. Pray. Pray. Here, pray. Good girl. This is our traveling companion. Y'all met her before, but she's getting big.
Yeah, she prays for it.
Yeah, she prays for her food.
Pray for it.
Pray for your food. Well, no, she thinks she gets it.
She said, I already prayed. Give me my snack.
Good girl. Good girl. Now she's going to get a snack. We'll talk to y'all later.